Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change audio on Instagram Reels after posting. First of all, you have to open your Instagram application in your mobile. Now what you are going to do is, which is going to be step number 2, is to locate the reel that you want be able to change the audio on. So just take this one right here. You can see we have audio for this one right here. Now let's say you want to be able to change the audio of this specific reel. Well, then we can first click on the three dots in the bottom right corner, and now you have to tap on this manage, and you will see these options. You have to tap on this edit and click on this advanced settings, and right now this one right here doesn't really give us an like option to be able to change our audio, right? So we can go back, click on these three dots again, and if we scroll down here, there is no way to actually make sure that there is no way for us to actually edit like the music or edit any kind of things in here, because unfortunately it doesn't really like allow us to do so. So what we are going to do instead is to actually just remove this reel, and before you actually remove it, make sure that you actually have this specific reel that you want to be able to re-upload again. Make sure that you do already have it on your phone, because we need to actually re-upload it again. So just tap on this delete and then tap on this plus symbol again. Now just re-upload your reel again, and now you can change the audio to whatever you want. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.